Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on the OtterBox Symmetry Series for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Keep in mind they make a similar one for the iPhone 13. It's slim, sleep drop protected, and outstanding. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. By taking a quick look at the box, it says Symmetry, Sleep Protection, iPhone 12/12 Pro. And if we go ahead and flip this over, it says the style you want, the protection you need, drop protection, ultra slim, one-piece design, easy on and off. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this fancy box, and yep, boom. You can see I got a chance to test the drop protection right off the bat. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the case out again, and right off the bat I noticed that the case itself was very lightweight and also very shiny. Now this also gives you a dual layer protection, which is basically a hard and soft outer case and inner case at the same time without adding bulk to the phone. Okay, now taking a 360-degree look around the case here. On the left-hand side, we have an open slot for the mute button, and then we also have the tactical volume up and down buttons. And then on the bottom here, we have the lightning port in the center, flanked by open slots for the speakers on both sides. And then on the right-hand side here, we have the power button, which is very tactical, and they both they pop out a little bit on both sides, the buttons do, which is nice and convenient because I'm never guessing where the buttons are, and that works for me. I like that. And you can see that the synthetic rubber circumvents the case all the way around. And then you can see there's also a camera slot on the back of the case as well, and we'll talk more about that a little bit later on in the video. This has a really nice texture on the back. I like it. All right, and if we take a look inside, you can see that it is mostly a inner hard case, and then we have the soft synthetic rubber going completely around inside as well as on the outside of the case. Now let's go ahead and grab my iPhone 12 here so you can see how quickly the phone inserts and snaps right into the case very quickly. And just by a little bit of push there, a little bit of push there, and then just make sure that it is tight. I'll push a little bit more, and as you can see, it went in very quickly. And also make a note that I do have a screen protector on here too, so it worked very well with the screen protector. Now on the left hand side here, the silent or mute button is very accessible, and then the volume up and down buttons are there, and they're very tactical in my opinion. And then if we come down on the bottom here, we have the lightning port in the center, flanked by the microphone and stereo speaker. And then if we go ahead and flip this over, and we can take a look at the right hand side, we can see the power button. All these buttons are very tactical in my opinion. Now on the back, we have the opening for the camera array, and you can see here, let me get this leveled. Okay, you can see that the camera lenses do not protrude out above the case, even though it doesn't have a lip. So you have plenty of protection for your camera lenses, and that's a good thing. All right, let's see what else. The weight of the phone has not increased at all because I have a case on it, and the button for the power, or the power button that is very accessible with just one hand. And let's go ahead and open this up so that I can show you the lip on the phone case that goes around the phone's bezel here, and it only pops up just a little bit, very minimum. but it gives you enough protection so that if you put your phone down flat on, facing down on a tabletop, that it's not going to get scratched, and you will have plenty of protection for the front screen here. Okay, we now come to the place in this video where I tell you what I really think. I like this case. I like it a lot. I feel very confident that it will provide me with many years of drop protection for my iPhone 12. So do I recommend it? Yes. You can spend a lot more or a lot less and not get the same protection that this phone case will provide. One last important note is that I really like the grip and the non-slipperiness of the phone case. I, however, could not say the same about the box it came in. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like, and remember, press that subscribe button.